In today's world, e-commerce is more than just a business, it's a revolution. One of the biggest names in the game is AliExpress. But what if you could create your own app, just like it? You're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can build an app like AliExpress from scratch. Step 1. Market research and strategy. Before diving into development, you need to research your target market. Identify your audience. Are you going B2B, B2C, or both? This is key, as each audience has different needs and expectations. Hire a development team. Once you've got your market research, it's time to hire a reputable development team. RichestSoft can help bring your vision to life, ensuring your app is both functional and scalable. Incorporate high-end features. To stand out, your app needs both basic and advanced features. Basic features: user registration, product listings, shopping cart, checkout, etc. Advanced features: personalized recommendations, multi-language support, AR/VR visualizations, loyalty programs. The user experience, UX/UI, is crucial. Ensure the app is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and functional. Testing and deployment of an app like AliExpress. Once the app is ready, don't skip testing. Ensure everything works seamlessly across all platforms. After thorough testing, it's time to launch. Maintenance and updates of an app like AliExpress. After launch, keep the app updated with regular improvements and fixes to maintain a smooth user experience. Technology integration. To stay ahead of the competition, consider integrating cutting-edge technologies. AI integration, personalize user experiences and optimize pricing. Natural language processing, NLP, break language barriers with multilingual support. AR technology, offer virtual try-ons and 3D product visualizations for a more engaging shopping experience. Revenue generation of an app like AliExpress. Several ways to monetize your platform include product sales, direct sales revenue, in-app advertising, allow sellers to promote their products, service fees, charge for premium services like fast delivery, subscription-based memberships, offer exclusive benefits for a monthly fee. Cost of development of an app like AliExpress. Building an AliExpress-like app can range from $30,000 to $250,000, depending on the complexity and features. A clone version can cost between $25,000 to $80,000. Your choice of platform, development team, and region will affect the cost. At RichestSoft, we don't just build apps, we scale businesses. Whether you need a custom app or a pre-built clone, we have the tools and expertise to help you succeed. Ready to build your e-commerce empire? Contact RichestSoft and let's make it happen.